tariffs and the impact of the West Asia crisis on the sector. Let's listen into that slice of conversation.
India Pharma event, the focus is on innovation as to what could government and industry do for ecosystem for innovation, including regulatory aspects, including what support government should provide and what industry should do, and an entire discussion around it.
Right. While this event is going to delve into aspects that are related to the pharma industry, let me first talk to you about the overall pharma industry, which is, one of the biggest in the world in terms of exports as well. $30 billion of exports by 2025. We are the third largest when it comes to domestic manufacturing as well. Can you give us an understanding of where the PLI scheme really is in terms of the kind of capacities that it has created, the kind of investments that you're receiving? Because this has been the Prime Minister's ambition, this government's ambition to manufacture in India, to become self-reliant in all the sectors.
We have 3 PLI schemes in pharmaceutical sector. One for formulation industry, that's the largest scheme. That scheme has done quite well. The investments are more than about 40,000 crore rupees additional investments, and the production is also much more than, say, 4 times of what was the target, about 1.5 lakh crore rupees.
Okay.
The second one was for bulk drugs or API. The investments have taken place, about 4,000 crore rupees. A lot of capacity has been generated in key starting materials and APIs. Production is slightly on the lower side. One is it takes slightly longer for fermentation-based bulk drugs to stabilize and to start selling it. So the chemical-based bulk drugs PLI scheme is more successful. In terms of fermentation-based bulk drugs, production is not very high. So I think we would make another attempt at it. In terms of biopharma mission also, we would do some support for fermentation-based bulk drug industry. The third PLI was for medical devices. There has been a lot of success, particularly on higher-end machines, imaging machines and implants. A lot of foreign investment has taken. 3-4 Indian companies have also done very well and made investments. The sales have become quite large. Consumable industry, all these bags and IV fluid and sutures, I think there the investment, some investment has taken place, but the production is, the quality improvements have not been so much. So I think that is a part we'll have to touch again. We do so Atmanirbharta has increased on higher end machines quite a lot, and the ecosystem is developing. More and more suppliers are taking place, setting up shops in India. But in terms of consumable industry or small electronics, I think we need to do more, because that is where our exports are taking place. So we need to improve on that.
Right. Now, ahead of the much-awaited and the hotly contested elections in Bengal, BJP released its manifesto for the state. In the manifesto, BJP promised to plug infiltration, implement a uniform civil code, and proposed expansion